Unlike any other place in your body, your bikini area takes you through the most troublesome hair removal journey. As the area is sensitive, you need to make sure that the hair removal process goes on smooth and without any pain. Using normal razors to get rid of your pubic hair will often lead to razor burns and cuts. And trust us, you do not want to face those consequences. But to spare you the hassle, bikini trimmers are here. These are specially designed to provide you with a painless hair removal experience, minus the trouble. So in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best bikini trimmers just for you. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The bikini area is a sensitive part of your body, so whenever you're shopping for a bikini trimmer, you need to pick one out that will allow safe trimming down there. This is why the Philips Bikiniperfect Advanced HP 6378 Bikini Trimmer is a great option that you should consider. This device allows trimming, shaping, and styling of your bikini area, and it comes with 6 different attachments for better hair removal experience. The precision trimming head can be used to trim hair way shorter. And the precision epilator head removes hair from the root so that your bikini area remains smooth for days. The precision comb comes with 5 length settings. Mini shaving head removes stubble to give you a well-defined bikini line, while the micro trimming head helps to shape your eyebrows and remove unwanted hair. The trimmer also has an eyebrow comb, and it comes with an exfoliation glove, tweezers, and a travel pouch, offering you maximum comfort. This rechargeable trimmer is suitable for both wet and dry use, and it is liked by many users on Amazon. They cherish this product as it works well on the bikini area, and they liked the other attachments as well. But as it goes, a few of them faced technical issues while using it. So let's check out the ratings for this bikini trimmer. We undoubtedly will give it 5 stars when it comes to user acceptance and value, but the product is quite pricey, so it'll get 4 stars on that. Our next pick for today is the Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit from Remington, which will provide you with an overall shaving and trimming experience. The wet and dry design of this trimmer allows you to use it in or out of the shower. The bikini trimmer provides you with precise touch-ups for shaping your bikini line, while the hypoallergenic foil shaver allows for close trimming. The adjustable length guide allows you to choose from 4 different lengths for ease of use. The kit also includes a rotating exfoliator, which helps to prevent ingrown hairs, as well as razor burn. This trimmer comes with 1 AA battery and has a cordless design, which makes it easy to operate. It also comes with a beauty bag, so you can carry the trimmer with you whenever you're traveling. This trimmer has gained the trust of many users. They admire this product as it is easy to use and works great. And it also comes in an affordable price, but besides all that, some users were still disappointed with their purchase. So it's time to rate this product. In case of user acceptance, this product will get 4 stars. But when it comes to value and price, we'll gladly give it 5 stars. The Wahl Pure Confidence Rechargeable Lady Trimmer is a personal grooming kit for all the ladies out there, as it promises to keep confident as well as clean with its ergonomic design. The device comes with a trimming head, which can be used on the bikini area. It has a trimmer head, a detailing head, and a shaving head. The trimming head can be used with the 5-position guide for adjusting length, and it provides you with fast and easy hair removal. The shaver head is a great option for your bikini area and underarms. On the other hand, you can shape your eyebrows and take care of your facial hair with the help of the detailing head, which comes with a 2-position eyebrow guide. The device runs with the help of a rechargeable battery and comes with storage pouch for your convenience. The Wahl Pure Confidence Rechargeable Ladies Trimmer is admired by many users, and they love this product as it doesn't irritate the bikini area and it provides painless results. But then again, some users didn't really like the product. So let's move on to the ratings. In case of value and price, we would like to give it 5 stars, and when it comes to user acceptance, we will gladly give it 4 stars. If you're looking for a trimmer which will take care of your fine and coarse bikini line hair, then the Panasonic ES246AC Bikini Shaper and Trimmer is our recommended product for you. It has hypoallergenic stainless steel blades and it's a 5-position trimmer so that you can trim as close as you want without getting any razor bumps. It can remove any type of hair without causing any irritation on your sensitive skin. And the angled trimmer head of this product allows easy trimming. The trimmer has a slim design and it's lightweight as well for your convenience. It operates using 2 AA sized batteries and provides you with faster trimming results. You can safely trim your sensitive bikini area with this portable trimmer and stay comfortable as you go. This bikini trimmer is loved by thousands of users, and according to their opinions, the trimmer is easy to use and works great on removing bikini hair without causing irritation. But besides all the positive comments, a few users were not satisfied with their device. So now it's time to check out the ratings. We really liked this tool for its great performance and price. So overall, we'll give it 5 out of 5 stars. Our top pick for today is the Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle, which is a 2-in-1 product containing both a trimmer and a razor for providing you with maximum hair removal experience. The built-in waterproof trimmer comes with an adjustable comb in 4 different settings so that you can adjust the trim length according to your necessity. You can use the trimmer in or out of the shower for taking care of your bikini line hair. On the other end, there is a razor, which has a 5 curve sensing blades, and it is formulated with water-activated Hydro Boost serum with shea butter. This serum provides hydration for up to 2 hours after shaving. This bikini trimmer is waterproof and the razor is dermatologist tested, so you can shave and trim your hair with this product without any irritation. The Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle is highly appreciated by users on Amazon. And the positive feedback say it all. They loved how the trimmer took care of the hair down there and the fast and safe action provided by it. But a few of them did not have a great experience with the product. Now it's time for the rating. We were impressed by the overall functionality of this product, and it is such an affordable price. So altogether, we would really like to give this product 5 out of 5 stars. So those were our top 5 best bikini trimmers. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.